Here's a revision exam question on purchase orders. Here's the 4-mark question for you. You've had an email from Jasmina. Can you place the following order with Easy Save gardening supplies for 12 boxes of poppy seeds and 6 boxes of daffodil bulbs? Here is the price list. Easy Save gardening supplies is selling them for Jasmina to purchase through that website at these prices. Poppy seeds, that's the code POP1 at £40.40 per box, and daffodil bulbs at DFD1, that's the order code at £64.50. Thanks, Jasmina. So Jasmina has sent that email to you. You now need to complete the purchase order form, which is over there on the right. This is what you need to complete. We're not using the rainbow buckets for 6-mark extended questions, so they can go. We are going to use the finance ladder of success. Here are the 4 steps to follow. Step 1, don't panic. Look at the question and highlight and mark the areas you need to work out that you need to answer. Step 2. Step 3, try and work out what's going on from the numbers that they've given you, so that if there's anything you can calculate yourself. And the final step, step 4, complete what's left using any formula if you need some formula. The 4 steps to the finance ladder of success. So there's the email on the left, but this is what you need to look at on the right. And we're going to look at the areas that you need to complete. So for 4 points, let's see if we can find the 4 things that you need to complete. The first area there in blue, if we look across on the line, then we're looking at daffodil bulbs going across, and we're looking at, let's have a look, we've got the code in there, we've got the number of boxes, 6, each box is £64.50, so we want the total price of 6 boxes at £64.50. You've got to calculate it, so what's the mathematical action you need to go in the blue box? Now the green question is asking you for a subtotal. Now you might go, well, what am I subtotaling? What's the halfway point? Well, you've got to look below. We've got a discount going on, so at the moment we've got a subtotal, so look above. Let's ignore the bottom at the moment, and then let's look over to the left. You've only been asked to purchase 2 things, so your subtotal is how much it's going to cost for the total order of 6 boxes of daffodil bulbs and 12 boxes of poppy seeds. So that's the total that goes in the green. The purple box, that's the 5% discount. That's the 5% of the subtotal, the green above it. Now 5%, you are allowed to use calculators, so that's the green number multiplied by 5% sign gives you that number to put in the purple box. Remember though, this is a discount, so this is where you need to take the money off. The red number then is the total, so that's the subtotal, discount by 5%, and then whatever's left is the total, so that's how you'd fill in the purchase order. There you go, you've had all the instructions and the help how to fill it in. So you go from the exam question, and then this is the purchase order that you would fill in, and you've got those 4 areas. This is a 4-pointer to complete.